Welcome back to another virtual antenatal class. Today, I want to start with a story. One afternoon, a pregnant mother came to see me. She was about 5 months pregnant. She sat down and said, "Midwife, please don't be angry with me." I smiled and asked her, "Why will I be angry with you?" She opened her handbag and brought out a bottle. She said, "I have been taking this herbal mixture since I became pregnant." I asked her, "Who recommended it?" She replied, "My neighbor." Then I asked, "Why are you taking it?" She said, "She told me it cleans the womb, makes the baby strong, prevents miscarriage, prevents difficulty in labor, and they even help me deliver easily." Ha, Mandas. That is a lot of promises for one bottle. And I asked her, "Do you know exactly what is inside it?" She looked at me and she said, "Midwife, I don't know." You understand? That was when I became really serious. I told her, "My dear, something being called herbal, natural, traditional, or organic does not automatically mean it is safe during pregnancy." Then she became quiet. Then she asked me the question I want every pregnant woman watching this video to hear. He said, "Midwife, if it is natural, how can it harm my baby?" Mothers, that's exactly what we are discussing today. Because maybe you've not been told, take these herbs, drink this mixture, boil these leaves, it will clean your womb, it will make your baby strong. But before you put anything into your body during pregnancy, please stop and ask, is this actually safe for me and my baby? Just when I was saying it, it's educating the antenatal class mothers, one of them stood up and said, "But midwife, my grandmother used it." Now, I know what some mothers are thinking. You are saying, "Midwife, my grandmother took herbs when she was pregnant and she delivered safely." Okay, so many traditional practices now have been passed from one generation to another. But mothers, let me explain something. One person taking something and then having no obvious problem does not prove that the substance is safe for every pregnant woman. Your grandmother's pregnancy was different. Her health was different. Her dose may have been different. Even the plant preparation may have been different. And then most importantly, we may not even know what happened in pregnancies where there was a problem. So please don't use. My mother used it, I know. My sister used it, of course, I know. My neighbor used it, yeah, as proof that a particular herb is safe during pregnancy. Your pregnancy deserves individual medical advice. Okay, the next question is, why can herbs be a problem? Nice question. Okay, now let's talk about the biggest issue. Some herbs can have powerful effects on the body. Certain herbs, can affect blood pressure, blood sugar, bleeding, the uterus, the nervous system, the liver, the kidney, or how other medicine work. So some herbal products have also been found to contain contaminants or substances that are not clearly listed on this label. And here is another problem. The dose may not even be reliable. When you buy a proper manufactured medicine, there's usually a known active ingredient and a defined dose. But with an unregulated herbal mixture, you may not know, what exactly is inside. How much of each ingredient is there? Was it prepared hygienically? Was it contaminated? Was the dose measured properly? Those questions matter even more during pregnancy. Now the other question is, can herbs cause miscarriage? Okay, now mother, this is a question I hear frequently. Can herbs cause miscarriage? The honest answer is, some herbal products may be unsafe during pregnancy, and some substance can potentially affect the uterus or pregnancy. But you cannot safely assume that every herbs will cause miscarriage, and you also cannot assume that every herb will protect the pregnancy. This is why I strongly advise pregnant women, don't take an unknown herbal mixture to prevent miscarriage. And please don't take something because somebody says it will hold a pregnancy. There is no safe shortcut for proper antenatal care. If you are worried about miscarriage, bleeding, abdominal pain, or your baby's health, see your healthcare provider. Don't try to treat the problem yourself with herbs. You understand? All right, now, mothers, let's make to this class interactive. Imagine your friend calls you and says, "Sister, I'm pregnant. My mother gave me a herbal mixture. She said it will make my baby strong." What will you tell her? Will you say, "Take it because it is natural"? Or find out exactly what it contains and ask your healthcare provider before taking it? So, what about the herbal thing? You understand? I'm waiting for that question. Some mothers may say, "Midwife, I'm not talking about those strong mixtures. I'm talking about herbal tea." Mothers, herbal teas are not all the same. No. Some herbs have been studied more than others. Some may be considered acceptable in certain amounts, while safety information for others is limited or concerning. So during pregnancy, the fact that something is sold as tea does not automatically make it safe. So if you are pregnant and want to use a particular herbal tea regularly, tell your healthcare provider the exact name and ingredients. Don't just say it's a natural tea. Tell them exactly what is inside. That allows them to give you more appropriate advice. Okay, now what if you have already taken herbs? Mothers, maybe you are watching this and you are saying, "Oh my goodness, midwife, I've already taken herbs." Please don't panic and don't feel ashamed. You understand? Don't hide it from your healthcare provider. The best thing you can do is tell your midwife or doctor what you did. You understand? How much did you take? How often do you take it? When did you start? How far along, were you? So if you still have the bottle, package it, label or ingredient, take it with you, to your healthcare provider. And if it was a locally prepared mixture, tell your healthcare provider exactly what the person who prepared it said was inside. Your healthcare team needs accurate information, to advise you properly. Okay, now return to the story. See, remember the woman I told you about at the beginning, the mother who brought the herbal mixture to my clinic. I didn't shout at her, I didn't embarrass her, and I just explained to her why I was concerned, and I told her, my job is not to judge you. My job is to help you make safer decisions during your pregnancy. She looked at me and said, "Midwife, nobody ever explained this to me. They only told me that because it is natural, it cannot hurt me." And that sentence is exactly why I'm teaching this class. Mothers, we respect our culture. We respect our elders. We respect traditional knowledge. But when you are pregnant, please combine respect with safety. Before taking any herbal medicine, tell your healthcare provider, because your baby cannot speak for itself. You have to make informed decisions on its behalf. Let me leave you with these three things. Number one, natural does not automatically mean safe. Number two, never take an unknown herbal mixture during pregnancy simply because somebody promises that it will protect your pregnancy or make labor easy. Number three, tell your midwife or doctor about everything you are taking, including the herbs, teas, supplements, and traditional medicine. Mothers, your pregnancy is precious. Don't experiment with it. If you are feeling sick, uncomfortable, worried, or afraid, ask for help. There is no shame in saying, "Midwife, I don't know what to take. Please help me." That is exactly what antenatal class is for. And if today's class has taught you something, please share this video with another pregnant woman, especially the mother who says, "It's only herbs. It can't help me." Really? She needs to hear today's message. I'm Nurse Destiny Obianka, a registered nurse, a registered midwife of over 50 years of experience, and a founder of Obianka Nurse and Maternity Home. Thank you for joining today's virtual antenatal class. May God protect you, protect your unborn baby, give you wisdom throughout your pregnancy, and grant you a safe delivery. Until our next class, stay informed, stay careful, stay connected to your healthcare team, and remember, every health pregnancy begins with the right knowledge. I will see you in our next virtual antenatal class. Bye.